I'm going to show you how to start dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay, and this is a step-by-step tutorial. And today I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to know to launch your eBay dropshipping business. So let's not waste time, your precious time, and let's start this. I'm very excited because this is going to be amazing. Now, after you open your eBay account, these are the first steps that you have to take. Number one, finding winning products in AliExpress. Number two, listing products efficiently. Number three, fulfill orders correctly. Number four, maintain a healthy store. And this guide is all-in-one resource offering the insights and strategies that you need to start effectively. So let's dive in and start transforming these steps into your successful eBay dropshipping journey. You ready for this? Okay, so let's start right on the most important part of dropshipping, and I'm talking about finding AliExpress products that sell. Unlike other suppliers, in AliExpress you can play with a 30% profit margin. Yes, some products might take longer to ship, that's true, but customers are willing to wait if they pay a better price. So let me show you two ways that you can find winning products in less than 1 minute each. And I'm not kidding about the 1 minute each part. Okay, let's put a timer right here, right now, okay? Starting now. So you can find winning products simply by going over the products in the trending eBay products right here on the Market Insights tool. And then you just make sure that your seller settings are set correctly. And I'm selling on eBay.com. My business model is dropshipping and I'm sourced from AliExpress. Boom, like this. Down here, we see trending eBay products. As you can see, these are successful products to be listed. So let's pick one, for example. Check this one out. This is a nice profit margin, and then you can click here for your supplier, like just to double check if it's a good deal. It looks like a good deal, and once you validate it, it's a good thing to save. So we can save this product to a folder and you can use it for the next step. Okay, boom. See, that was less than a minute, wasn't it? That was less than a minute. Good, 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 good. All right, so let me show you another way to do the product research. This way, you can find hundreds of items from AliExpress in less than a minute as well. So let's put a timer here again. Please, let's put a timer and starting now. All right, so you'll go to autopilot right here. Then you click start new scan. Then you choose AliExpress as your supplier. And here you just fill like the filters that you see fit for your demand. And since you're a beginner, I would recommend going for traffic products, which are products that can sell for less than $15. Okay, then products that sell fast. All right, so if we want 30% profit margin, we of $15 product, we're talking about buying products for maximum $10.50, right? And with eBay fee, that's minus 180. So in reality, we're talking about buying products with up to $8.70. Okay, so for winning products, we need at least 4 sales in 14 days, like this. So we know there's demand. Then click here, create scan. All right. All right, and here the scan is going to be completed, and then like this you see the product. So that's less than a minute. That's less than a minute, right? Okay, look, click here, and then you see the results that showed up, and these are all the products. These are all the products. Okay, these are all the products right here. You can see. Amazing. So now that you found really good products to sell, now what are you gonna do? Well, we have found winning products. And now it's time to list them to your store. But before that, you have to make sure that you optimize the titles with Zix Title Builder. And we'll take one of these products that we found as an example. So let's choose this product right here. And then let's use the title builder. So here's how it works. I'll enter the product's keywords here in the title builder. And then this tool suggests new effective keywords that can enhance the product title. So a great strategy that I use is remodeling the titles based on what the competitors are doing. So you basically go to the competitors, you copy their title, and then you paste it here, and then you take unnecessary keywords and replace them with words that have demand. And it's very efficient, and you don't have to start from scratch, and it often yields success results. So now you're ready to upload your listings. That's amazing. But how can you make sure that you stay in profit? And you want to cover costs, eBay fees, and still make a profit. Well, you can make your calculations using Zix eBay fee calculator. Just fill in the information like this. Let's open here. Okay, like this. And then you fill all the information of this product. You can even like copy the product ID like I did, and then that's it, like this. Here you can see the profit. This is your real profit. Now, remember that selling a product that is 50 cents cheaper than your competitor already does the job. You don't have to stretch so much. And you can also automate the process of adjusting prices. Tools that auto-adjust prices based on suppliers' changes can be lifesavers. They will not only monitor the supplier's prices, but they will make sure that you're always in profit. Now, we are so ready to list the products on eBay. Are you ready for this? So you can list them manually through eBay. You just go to the selling. Let's open here. You just go to the selling and then you click here. List an item, then you add the title, photos, and the item description. Then you can now use ChatGPT to help you out with the item description and the specifics, okay? Another way to do is to upload directly to your lister like this. Let me show you. You come here to the product folder, and then you select the products that you want to list, and then you click here, upload selected. And then you choose your lister, your preferences, and that's it. And click here, boom, like this. But also, you can export your items information as CSV files. So you come here, you select your files, and then you click export selected items like this. All right, that's it. Sold an item? Congratulations! It's amazing. It's like the best feeling ever. Now you just have to head to your supplier's site and order the product and have it shipped directly to your customer. Ensure the shipping address is your customer's, but the billing information is yours. All right, so let's do this here. We're here in AliExpress, and let me show you how to do it like this. And then you add your client's address. Billing is yours, and that's it. Now, just remember that your reputation on eBay is gold. So aim for the top rated seller status because it reduces fees and boosts visibility. And while many people only focus on growth and sales, the following points that I'm about to give you are what often differentiate successful sellers from the 90% who fail. So you have to keep these 6 things in mind, all right? Number 1 is to send a message to buyers right after the sale. Number 2 is to send a message to buyers with correct tracking number when the product is shipped. Number 3 is to handle open cases quickly. Number 4 is to answer questions about products with precision. Number 5 is to fight for positive feedback. And number 6 is to try avoiding canceling orders. But if you do, cancel correctly. And now, just one input on canceling orders here. As dropshippers, you might face stock shortages or price changes, and that happens. However, never cancel an eBay order citing item out of stock, as it leads to a defect. Find alternative solutions for that. All right, my friends, eBay dropshipping using AliExpress as a supplier is pretty exciting. There will be highs and lows, but with dedication and research and customer focus, success is within reach. So keep moving forward and see you next time.